Oppo Find X, which was launched recently in China, has made its way to India. In case you don't remember, it's the phone with this. Yep, it's that motorized slider that pops up every time you need to use the cameras. The reason this makes so much sense is that the other option for a bezel-less display is a notch. The main highlight of the Oppo Find X is its motorized slider that hides the phone's cameras. Unlike what Vivo's next phones have shown us in their previous demos, Oppo Find X hides both the selfie camera and the rear camera setup. This keeps the phone's visible body free of any lenses. Oppo has also introduced a new O face recognition technology that uses 3D structured light and 15,000 dot projections for facial scanning and is claimed to be 20 times safer than fingerprint recognition. As there's no fingerprint sensor on board, this is the only biometric option users have to unlock the smartphone. The Indian version of the Oppo Find X may be missing the 3D emoji feature, which lets you choose or create images and mimic your facial expressions in real time on 3D animated emojis. The dual SIM Oppo Find X runs ColorOS 5.1 based on top of Android 8.1 Oreo out of the box. It features a 6.42-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED panel with a 19.5:9 aspect ratio and a screen-to-body ratio of 93.8%. It has a brightness of 413 nits and a pixel density of 401 ppi. The handset is powered by the flagship 64-bit octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 SoC and is paired with 8 GB of RAM. The Oppo Find X bears a dual camera setup on the back of the sliding module. The primary camera is a 16 megapixel sensor and the secondary camera is a 20 megapixel sensor, both with f2.0 apertures, face detection autofocus and LED flash. On the front of the module, it gets a 25 megapixel selfie AI 3D camera with the same f2.0 aperture. The module simply pops open whenever the camera app is triggered. There is 256 GB of storage on the India variant, not expandable via microSD card. The India variant has a 3730 mAh battery with VOOC fast charging and is set to deliver 2 hours of talk time with 5 minutes of charging. In China, the 256 GB storage variant comes with a smaller 3400 mAh battery but with super VOOC flash charging. The Oppo Find X has been priced at 59,990 rupees in India for the 8 GB RAM, 256 GB inbuilt storage variant. The phone will be available in Bordeaux Red and Ice Blue color variants, with pre-orders starting from July 25th, with sales beginning from August 3rd. A 3000 rupee Flipkart voucher will be given to those who pre-order it on Flipkart. It will become available via offline channels soon after. So that was our look at the Oppo Find X. For all things tech, stay tuned to gadgets360.com.